Hey folks, this is Steve Sanson, President of Veterans in Politics International, and today we went to observe a few of the judges. We're over here at the Regional Justice Center, and first, before I get into the judges that we went into their courtrooms, I wanted to talk a little bit about Judge Heidi Almasi. Spoke to Judge Almasi today, and she is vacating her seat. And so I just want to let people know, if you're interested in running for family court division, that seat is going to be vacated. Secondly, we went back to Judge Yeager's courtroom. This time we were personally invited to observe her Veterans Court, and we went in there, and it was different than the Veterans Court that we were normally used to seeing in the municipal courts and Justice of the Peace courts. I guess district court is a little bit different, and Judge Yeager seems like she cared about the veterans that was before her, and she did a remarkable job. Next, we went into Judge Michelle Leavitt's courtroom. Judge Leavitt's courtroom, she had, it was a jury trial. It seemed like a murder trial. I wasn't sure, but I think it was a murder trial. There were canine LVMPD officers that was on the stand, and there was also DNA specialists, forensics, that was also on the stand. It was very interesting, and needless to say, we didn't hear Judge Leavitt say or do anything because she was just observing while the court proceedings were going on, and the state and the defense were putting on their case and asking witnesses questions and so on and so forth. But I just want to let everybody know that in 2026, every single district court seat is up. Make sure that you run against every single judge. And I say that with respect to all the judges, because a lot of these judges, they won't go out and meet the public unless they draw an opponent. So I need everybody to run against every single district court judge. And it's better to run in a race that there's only one person than running a race that is a crowded field, because your objective will be a lot better if you run in when there's only one person that you run against. So I just want everybody to know that. And 2026 is pretty quick. And, you know, if you're thinking about running for judge, you could call up VIPI Consultant LLC and see if we could help you. This is Steve Sanson with Veterans in Politics. Until next time.